Today we're going to talk about the portable dilution control system. I'm John Levulis, WAXIE Cleaning Solution Product Manager. I want to talk to you about the PDC. The PDC is a portable dilution control system that's part of WAXIE's Solution Station line. It can dilute any one of the Solution Station concentrates. It can be used as a portable unit, as the name says, or a standalone dilution control station. Those would be for closets where you might have a little bit of space that's just not there, or if you don't want to hang something on a wall like a dispenser. All the parts that are needed for it is the water hose and the dispenser. It also comes with an additional attachment, which is a foamer and a sprayer. Operation of it is very, very simple. You just take it, rock it on, finger tight down, hook it up to your water source, and you're ready to go. To interact with the dispenser itself is very simple. First, we have a selector here. This selector down at the bottom is going to give you 4 gallons per minute bucket fill. All the way at the top is 1 gallon per minute flow for the bucket bottle fill. And right in the center is 4 gallons per minute water flow. When you're filling a spray bottle, you flip this up, you put the bottle all the way up in there, push the trigger, let it fill to right about here at the top, release, give it a couple of seconds, pull the bottle out, and you're ready to go. To fill a bucket, put it all the way down, push the trigger down. There's a little metal tab right here that can lock it open. You can hang it onto your mop bucket or to an auto scrubber. When it's done filling, push down the button, pull back the tab, and you're done. To swap it out, if you want to use it as a direct application for foaming or spraying, just pull this off, pushing the 2 tabs. Make sure that you are down in the bucket fill mode. And you're ready to go. With the PDC hooked up to your water source, we're ready to demonstrate the operation of it. With the PDC in one hand and the foamer attachment in the other hand, all one has to do is just push the trigger to start spraying chemical out. Now in this position, we're just getting chemical flowing out. The single hand operation, I turn the handle here, point to the bubbles, and it now bubbles. It's not a foamer, it's more of a bubbler. Spray down your surfaces. When you're done, release the trigger, and you're good.